Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, we're going to look at the 3 most important things or tips or secrets you must do or have in a comparison video for affiliate marketing. So you can make a lot of money from affiliate marketing, 2 different products, doing a comparison video. But first, make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications. I'm going to be PayPaling people £25 up to 3 times a week. I was going to do it on this video, but my internet has gone out, so I cannot get all the comments. I have no internet right now. I'm recording this in the hope that it's fixed so I can upload this later on. I don't know, it might go badly, but fingers crossed, guys. Hopefully this video is live. I don't know, at 6 PM on whatever day it is today, Friday. So make sure you do that. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions, or if you want to get in touch, you can obviously just send me an email, but ask comments. I love comments, and smash the like button if you love affiliate marketing. I love affiliate marketing. It's a great source of income. Now, I was going to show you like real life how to do this, but again, I've got no internet. I can't do that. I can't even do hotspot on my phone. It's bad. But so there's 3 things you got to remember. And first of all, why do we do, before we even get into the tips, right? Why do we do affiliate marketing, and why do we use YouTube for affiliate marketing, and why do we do comparison videos for affiliate marketing? The first thing, when you're doing, why do we want to do affiliate marketing? Firstly, it's passive income. Passive income is fantastic, and if you don't know what that means, basically it means that you do some work and you get paid for it again and again and again, in a more passive way. It's not like a builder has to go out and lay bricks. They have to build a house to get paid, right? They can't just sit at home after they've built the house and still get paid. Whereas an investor in real estate, they would, buy the property, they would get all of it built and everything like that, and then they would take the income from it again and again and again while they are sitting doing nothing. So that's the difference between passive income and non-passive income. So we like passive income, it's very good. Now with YouTube, particularly on comparison videos, you can do a video, and I could have done a video last year, didn't have my YouTube last year, but I could have, and that video would still be there, and it would be ranking still, hopefully, for those keywords that I want to rank for, and it could be providing not only affiliate income, but also ad revenue as well, or maybe even links to coaching calls or to other digital products. So one video can be a massive source of income for you if you do it correctly. So we're going to go through 3 things in a second. And why would we do a comparison video? Because you can do review videos, which are great, and I do massively recommend doing review videos and tutorials and stuff like that on particular products and services, because that's what people want to see, that's what people are searching for. You're providing them with the video that they're looking to find. But a lot of people will look for comparison videos, and I'm going to give you an example right now, okay? The example I was going to show you is which is better for product launch on Amazon FBA. Jump send with Jungle Scout, or viral launch, okay? Now, I could do a comparison of those 2 platforms. I could show you the back end to both one, all the features, things I like about it, things I don't like about it. But you've come to that video because you want to buy either Jungle Scout or Jump Send or viral launch. You want to spend money on one of those 2 platforms. So I'm telling you the pros and cons to both of them, and I'm very, very likely to make a sale because I'm giving you both options, and you're going to click. It's a win-win for everyone. You get what you're looking for. I get to show 2 products, which are actually, both of them are quite good. And either way you go, I'm still making affiliate commission from it. So it's a great way to make income. So when you're thinking about doing a comparison, don't choose Actually, let's get into. I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's get into the tips. So the first tip is compare 2 good products, okay? Don't compare a product that's bad and a product that's good, because obviously people will just see through that. They're obviously going to go for the good product, and they're kind of not really going to listen to your video for the stuff that's really bad. So compare 2 good products that are both going to be beneficial for the people that are actually viewing the video, because there's a reason that they're comparing those 2, is because they're both probably quite good. Give them the information that they need, okay? So always look at 2 good products. The second thing, nice and easy. Show the good and the bad. So don't be biased towards one of them because it gives you a higher affiliate commission, okay? Just give them based on your honest opinion, and if you honestly believe one of them is better, okay, that's still an opinion, it doesn't have to be right, but it's just an opinion, then you can say that in your video, but give reasons for why you think it's better than the other one for that particular feature. And equally, if there is one that you prefer yourself, you're happy to say that, but don't look at the other service and say that it's bad just because you don't use it. That's actually not a good reason. saying there's specific reasons why you think it's not as good, well, that's okay. Like, as long as you give specifics, then that's fine. No one can really kind of argue with you, because again, that is going to be your opinion. They might agree with you, might disagree with you, but they're going to value your opinion nevertheless. So always show the good and the bad, and weigh it up at the end. So weigh it up. So these are the pros, these are the cons of this service. This is the pros, this is the cons of this service. In my opinion, this is what I think. Okay, and that's going to really help other people make a buying decision for the one that is going to work for them. And it might not be the same reasons as it will work for you. The next thing, number 3, okay, is provide, provide a call to action. So don't just do the video and go, yeah, cool, so this is Jump Send, and this is how it works, yeah, it's great. This is Viral Launch, and this is great, it's how it works. This is the bad things about both of them. I like the user interface on this one better. Cool, great, thank you very much, bye-bye. That's bad. You don't want to do that, right? If you're doing this for affiliate marketing and you want to generate income from this, you need to have a call to action. So you can say something like, cool guys, my personal recommendation is to use product A. Remember, these are the main reasons why I choose product A. If you do want to get it, it's going to be the first link in the description. And by doing that, you're also going to get, this is my bonus tip, you're also going to get access to this private Facebook group for people that are looking to, and then whatever that product is about, okay? Whatever that niche is about. But also, hey guys, if you are interested, if you've seen through this video, you're more interested in product B, I've also put that link down below as well. And that is also going to get you to that private Facebook group where we're going to share knowledge about what works and what doesn't work for us. So what you're doing is you're giving a value sandwich, right? You're doing a value sandwich. The bread is the value, and the ham in the middle, I don't eat ham, I'm vegetarian. The hummus in the middle is your sales pitch, okay? Very, very thin. It's mostly bread. So you're going to have your value up front, which includes comparing two good products, showing the good and the bad. Then you have your filling, which is going to be your sales, your call to action. So, hey, here, the links are down here. And then you're going to add value again after. So your value after is going to be, hey, if you do access this, just send me a screenshot of you opting it or whatever. It depends on how you track the affiliate commissions. And you'll get invited to a private Facebook group where we are going to share loads of tips, and I'll be giving you more updates and more knowledge and more value after you've, once you're using this service or once you've bought this product. Or I'm going to give you help, I'm going to give you email support, or whatever it may be. I'm going to send you something, like whatever it is that's going to work for that product. Add it in there, because you want to give more value on your video than other people's, okay? If there's 2 or 3 or 5 videos comparing the same thing, you want to be giving more value than your competitors, right? Because at the end of the day, this is a business. It's something that generates income. So we want to be better than the other people. Okay, that's the way that we're gonna make money. The way we are better than other people is we provide more value than other people and a better service. So value up front, better value than what other people have done. So just watch other people's videos and just make sure that yours is better. Have your call to action. So make sure you are, you're selling something. You're giving people the option to buy it. They don't have to buy it, but you're giving people the option to buy it. If you don't give them the option, they're never going to buy it from you, okay? And then the last thing is you're going to give people even more value, a reason to use that link, because they're going to get more value from you that's exclusive to people that use that link. So you can see this is something that I've done in the past, okay? I haven't done it for things like Jungle Scout. Hey, but I could do. I probably should do, actually. I might start implementing that. I don't know. In fact, I definitely should do. Why haven't I done that? But I've done that with other things, okay? Other digital products where I've given my support after that person has opted in for that sale. It doesn't cost them any more. So if someone signs up to an affiliate program with me from YouTube, it doesn't cost them any more to have my support and have the extra stuff. So why wouldn't they do it, right? Well, why wouldn't they do it? If you are a kind of skilled marketer, think of ways you can add urgency and exclusivity to that offer as well. And then that's a really good way to convert into higher sales, okay? Really good way to do it. So remember, guys, the 3 tips and the bonus tip is compare 2 good products so that the options are pretty much you're going to buy one. Show the good and the bad. Give your honest opinion and back it up with why you think that is the case. Provide a call to action to actually buy that product or service. So make sure there is a link there. This is really talking about YouTube. There are other ways to do it for Facebook and stuff like that. We're specifically really talking about YouTube. And the final thing, the bonus thing, is get that value sandwich in there and make sure you have a follow-up offer of extra support to really make it like too good to be true. So the person is more likely to buy through you than they are to buy through someone else. And hey, you won't get all the sales, but you will get a higher percentage. You'll be able to convert more people from a viewer or a prospective customer into a customer, a valued customer, and a promoter, which is ideally what we want to get people to. Is we bring them through like a customer journey of, at the beginning they're just a prospect. We don't know kind of who they are. That we know they're interested, but we don't really know if they want to buy. They then become a customer, a client, someone that's actually paid for something. They then become a participator. So that's someone that's actually participating in the product itself, or the training, or they're interacting with whatever. And then at the very end, you want them to be a promoter. So they go out there and they promote you or your service because they've had such a good service themselves. And that's really what we want to be doing. For example, with my Amazon course, there's mad value up front on YouTube. There's the sales, obviously. I've got to sell the damn thing. There's huge value in the course, and then there's support networks of personal support, Facebook group. I've hired an Amazon employee afterwards, so that the person is like, this is too good to be true. Like, I'm getting so much for my money, I would be crazy not to, right? And that's really what you want to be doing, because those people, once they've gone through that customer journey, they're going to be promoters at the end of it. If someone asks them, hey, how was that course you took? They're going to be like, it was great. I felt so supported. It felt really easy. They're not going to have anything negative to say. And if it is there, if there are negatives, they're going to be very small and insignificant negative points. So that's what you want to do within, and at the end of the day, affiliate marketing is sales. And a good salesperson always makes sure that they're getting to know their customer, they understand what that customer values, and they're going to give support to that customer. And good companies do this. They give really good levels of support after a customer has purchased an item, because they know that someone that purchased something is far more likely and a lot easier to sell to again once they've purchased something already. It's far, far easier to do that. So take that into account when you're doing affiliate marketing, or doing any sales role whatsoever, you're selling anything. Always take it into account. Offer mad value up front. Have that sales pitch. Make sure you're comparing two good products, or if you're just doing a review video, make sure it's something that's actually decent, and then have a follow-up kind of campaign, or a follow-up something to give extra value to those customers that opted in, that bought things through your links, because that's going to make the difference between a tiny amount of people doing it and a lot of people doing it. So hopefully that makes sense, guys. If you have any questions about this, how it's going to relate to your particular affiliate marketing kind of business or niche or campaign, then just hit me up in the comments. I'm more than happy to get back to you. If you ask any questions, again, I will get back to you. If you have any advice for anyone else, again, leave them down below. I would like to hear that. It's always helpful if you have a bit of advice that I've never thought of, I can go and research it, put it into practice, and kind of see if it works for myself, and again, share it on YouTube as well. So sharing is caring, guys. Sharing is caring. Sharing is caring. So guys, if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, of course, I have my ebook, which is down below. That, again, comes with extra support with the Internet Supremacy Facebook group. See what I did there? See what I did there? I did some value. I did a value sandwich. There's a little bit of a value sandwich there. That's what I did. But we've got lots of people in there now. It's pretty cool. Flying off the shelves and all that. But if you do want to get that, let me know down below. The link is there. You can always send me a direct message on Instagram, and we can have a little chat about it and stuff like that. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm planning on going live tomorrow. Hopefully my internet will be back. Hopefully this video is going to be uploaded. Otherwise, I'm going to be running into town to use the internet at the Apple Store. But guys, make sure you subscribe, turn on those notifications, and of course, leave comments, smash that like button, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.